Hey guys, welcome back to another adventure with K&K Fishing Adventures. First one of the season, you guys. I've been out several times and I have not been able to catch any fish. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna hope that we can catch some fish, because otherwise you're not gonna see this and I'm wasting my time. So we'll see what happens. Probably gonna start down at the river somewhere, see how that goes. It hasn't been very successful, hasn't been very busy. It's been really flooded. So we'll see. Might end up at a lake. Who knows? Catch you guys down on the water. Well guys, we're back out at the Pipestem spillway, and as you can see, there's a little more water this year than there was last year. I've been out here, this is my third time. First few times, I didn't catch any fish. Water level is up 15 feet. Came out here today before I started filming. I made 10 casts. Said 10 casts. If I catch one, I'll fish here. If I don't catch one, I'll go somewhere else. Well, I had one miss it right at the surface of the water, right next to my feet. And then I had another one that actually bit, and we got to hold that one. So I've got a fish on the ear. There we go, guys. There's one. That's not a bad fish, guys. Not huge. But not tiny either. He's heavy. They're a lot healthier this year. Let's go ahead and get those hooks out. You are not slinging hooks into me, buddy. Aggressive little shit. All right. Stop that now. All right, let's take a look at him. Nice, decent little pike there. See if we can get a weight on him. See if he'll cooperate for us to get a weight on him. Only 3 pounds, 2 ounces. Not a bad little fish. Let's go ahead and get him back in. Let him catch his breath. And away he goes. Like I was saying, guys, as you can see, there's a lot of water coming out of the spillway. It's creating a lot of foam. And the water level where we were fishing is last year is about where that clear spot between the bubbles is. That's where we were standing last year. So the water level's definitely up. Let's get back out there and see if we can catch another one. Since it looks like we might be catching some bigger fish this time, instead of all these tiny ones, I think we should go ahead and prep the net. As you can see, I got a little bit of a drop down there. So it might be easier. Yeah, that'll work better. Set this right here. Shouldn't go anywhere on us, hopefully. I do have a line out with some worm on it. See if there's anything else around that might want to bite other than the pike. The pike are fun, but we'll try to get some variety. We've had some weird weather here in North Dakota this year, guys. We had a late season snowstorm that dropped a bunch of snow on us and flooded all the rivers and streams, and the lake levels are all up. And since then, we've had a lot of rain. So we had no rain last year, had a drought, rivers were drying up. River banks were collapsing from the amount of water that was running loose. And then this year, we got so much rain, everything's flooded. It's life in North Dakota for you. Guys, there we go, got another one. Ooh, look at that jump. He is powerful. He inhaled that lure, you guys. Look at him. All right, let's get him up here. Let's pull out some line there. Check that out, another nice little pike. Look how deep he inhaled that hook, you guys. He sure does not want to cooperate. Thanks for the slime in my nostril. Y'all, he's being a pain in my ass. All right, buddy. Calm yourself down, and we'll get you out of there. Got you in the tongue. You are not cooperating at all. Let's see if we got the jaw jack. There we are. All right, there we go. Got a better look at him there now. Go ahead and turn this back on. .8. At least they've all been pretty decent fish today. Let's go ahead and get him back too. Give him, y'all, he soaked me. All right, guys, we changed up locations a little bit. We're at Spiritwood. Tried a couple of different spots on Pipestem. Fishing had just kind of turned off, so figure what the heck, why not try Spiritwood? I've got a line out with with some bells and some worm on the bottom over there. And I'm gonna try casting the Daredevil again. Just scared a deer. Heard him blowing, didn't you? He's still blowing. Okay, not the most convenient way to do this. Okay, y'all, my camera died in the middle and my two lines got crossed up and I had to pull this fish in by hand, but we've got another one. Here we are, guys. Got us a smallmouth. All right, y'all. That wasn't the most graceful fish I've ever caught, but it's a third fish from a different body of water. Little smallmouth there. Nothing big, just a little guy. Let's go ahead and get him back in. Well, that's convinced me to stay a little longer, guys. All right, guys. Packing it up for the day. Got homework I gotta do. Well, guys, had a very fishy day. Caught the one northern when I didn't have the cameras going, and then I caught two more with the cameras going. Came out here to Spiritwood and didn't have much luck, but eventually did cast over my own line, which actually led to a fish. It's a small smallmouth, but it was still a smallmouth. So there's probably only going to be 3 fish in this video. Going to be a shorter one, but first successful fishing trip of the year, you guys. I've been out, this is my 4th time now, and I finally caught a fish. I didn't catch any fish the first 3 times I was out. So I'll take what I can get. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one.